Gold is continuing to rise in value. Yesterday the price has created a bullish candle, and we can see that the 2736.97 are currently acting as a support. Yesterday the price formed a bullish candle where we can see that the price has opened the open price below the close price in the previous week, which means the price has created a gap yesterday, and that gap has been fulfilled, where the price has gone down first. We can see that with a small candle, and then returned back up, where the price has continued to rise in value, and we can see currently the price is rising also again to the upper side. Now we can see that very important resistance level currently for the price is 2748. We can see that it is around 2750, a resistance level that needs to be broken in order to continue to rise in value. And as it looks right now, the price is trying to make a bullish breakout and stay above, but this needs to be confirmed with a 4-hour time frame and also 1-hour time frame, time frames that will shows us that the price is starting to move higher and higher. Now on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, we have a smaller resistance levels in between, where the next stronger resistance is 2817.77. So now, as it looks, the price looks bullish, and I'm expecting that the price will rise in value, except if the price returns back down. But the first level that will be a bearish, a strong signal, will be the close below 2715, which is here as a support level, and then the next target will be this one, 2692. Before that, everything still looks bullish, so I'm still bullish oriented and seeing the price reaching higher price levels. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.